the building.
When I beg you, baby, jabata. Me, I know get time, I did that, bada. That cover my face, calling me that, bada. Biggie man, we don't be where I, bada. What's it come? You are come, all depend. The cash, ride the foot, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all depend.
Let me tell you, if God decides to bless you, He'll bless you anywhere at whatever time. I don't even know how to explain it. Hi, how are you? Welcome to a new vlog. Welcome back to Simply Unmined. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment. Period. Anyways, wacha niwaambie kwanza, kama mtu kama uko hapo umesubscribe, acha niwaambie siri. You all are seeing the second collection of Maridhawa in my today's outfits. Let me show you. I showed you already, but let me tell you. It's these pants. None already, but yeah, it's these pants and I like them. This was the outfit for today. I had these pants, like chini kabisa. These pants, the other version, like we need the other set is here, like iko na mifuko though. I just wanted to see which one looks better, with pockets, with no pockets. I think with pockets is better. This one doesn't have pockets. But yeah, anyways, welcome back to my vlog. Welcome back to this channel. Yesterday I was in town. After work I went to town. Today is on Sunday. I'm just from church and it's currently around 2. I had cooked some pancakes in the morning. I want to have them for lunch as well because I don't have the energy to cook and even to think about what I want to cook right now. So yeah, I'm having pancakes for lunch. Benefits of living in your own place. So I wanted to show you a few things I got yesterday. First and foremost, I got myself an electric kettle because sababu gas, in my last vlog, I don't even know if I talked about it, gas iliniishia, and I think it's majorly because I have been using it to boil my shower water for showering. Yeah, because I don't have a heater. Kama nataka heater, I have to like pay for it and all that, and currently I was just like, I'm not in the financial position to do that right now. So I bought myself a kettle. Ndio gas yache kuniishia hivyo obvio bana when I'm not expecting it. So I got a kettle. And as always guys, silver and black. Silvery and what? Silver and black. Silver and black. Yeah, I got that. I got myself these 2 biscuits just because I wanted to have a movie night yesterday, but who slept early? Me. And then I also got myself an iron box because I have some fire outfits that I've not worn for a long time just because I don't have an iron box. So we got the iron, guys. And we can give us stock your tissue, pads, and omo, and like drinking chocolate, just the basic things. Basically, that's it. I wanted to show you that, guys. Let me just remember in my last vlog I mentioned that there's some clothes I want to fold. I never folded them. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I've just been pushing them kwa bed, kwa corner. This is the bad thing about being the only person in a very big bed and you don't turn at night. I was just pushing them there. But yeah, let me eat lunch, do that, reset for the week, and I don't know when I'll talk to you guys next. I don't know. Sisi tunaka kazi mpaka 24th. So adios guys. See you when I see you next, or when I talk to you next. Blessings over blessings and blessings and blessings. That's what I've received today. Sunny in the building. That's what I've received. Blessings and blessings and blessings. Work a lot. Thank you.